my name is Montgomery Kinard, and I'm coming to you from the Academy for Virtual Teaching. I'd like to invite you to join us for a free 5-day video challenge. Video is your absolute best marketing tool. It helps make that personal connection with your audience, turning them into loyal customers. As a maker, video helps you show off the thing you find so much joy in that you can't help but share it through teaching. If you have products, show off how amazing they are and give your customers that spark to help them be creative. In just 5 days, about 1 hour each day, we're going to use nothing more than your phone and your creativity to film and edit a promotional video that you can share on your website or social media. So join the Academy, it's free, and join your colleagues in this challenge as we build our businesses and learn to create a video sharing what it is we love to do.